Hey guys, thanks so much for clicking on this video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how my first week of keto went. I'm back on keto. I'm going to lose these quarantine pounds, and yeah, I want to show you guys what I ate and how much I lost. And if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and ask me. So this is my breakfast, some hot link, a little bit of hot link, 1 egg, and I added some jalapeno for some spiciness. And I'm just gonna drink this water. For lunch, I'm having this stew meat that was actually leftovers from yesterday's dinner. I have green beans with onion, egg, and chili. My mom used to make this growing up. I loved it, and I was craving it yesterday. So that's part of yesterday's dinner, and then some salad with cucumber and ranch. Alright guys, it's now dinner time, and I'm having a lettuce wrap with ham, half an avocado, and jalapenos under there. And now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna fold this up or roll it up. Hey guys, so now we're on day 3 of the keto diet. I'm so glad I've made it this far. I'm actually not surprised since I have done this diet before. So it's not as difficult as it was when I first started it like 2 years ago. Because even when I'm not doing keto, like I've told you guys before, I still do low carb. So anyway, we're starting the morning off with coffee. And on my coffee, I put 2 pumps of the sugar-free vanilla syrup from Starbucks. I add about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then of course Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, unsweetened. I love this one. I try making my coffee like other types of, like using other types of coffees, but they just, I don't like the taste. Oh, and I also add like cinnamon powder to top it off once I'm done adding this in. So, yeah. And here it is. It's so good, guys. This is how I have my coffee 100% of the time, even when I go to the Starbucks drive-thru. Instead of the iced coffee, I ask for the Americano, but the ingredients are the same. So, yes. Lunch, pretty repetitive, just meat, salad, cucumber, and ranch. And with this, I'll just have a bottle of water. Kind of slack, drinking water today, so that's what I'm gonna drink right now. I'm making patties for the kids and my boyfriend, and I'm of course gonna have it lettuce wrapped. But I wanted to show you guys a little snack I'm having. It's this one right here. It's ice cream. It's by Enlightened, and it's from the Keto collection, and it's 1 gram net carbs. So I'm gonna eat that for the first time. I'm not really a sweets person. I'm more of like a spicy eating person. I love spicy things, but I was craving some type of sweet, so I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so this ice cream definitely gets an A. It's so good. I'm afraid I'm gonna eat it all, but I can't because it is pretty high in calories. 170 calories for half a cup. So yeah, so good. Alright guys, it's dinner time, and I made some patties with Swiss cheese. I paired it with some lettuce, mustard, chipotle aioli, that's how you say it, and mayo. And some onions, because I love onion, and a little bit of tomato. And that's what I'm having for dinner. And then I'm gonna drink bubbly sparkling water. That's my favorite sparkling water. Good morning. My hair looks crazy because I got out the shower. But today is Thursday, or no, today's Friday. We're on day 4 of keto. I'm pretty excited for today because I'm gonna try something new. I came across these things called miracle noodles. I'm sure you've all heard of them already, but I just came across them, so I'm gonna make some stir fry with that. See how that comes out, because it is my first time making stir fry as well. So I'm gonna make mine with like that miracle noodle, and then for the rest I'm gonna make like just the regular just the regular noodles. But for now, we're just gonna make my coffee. I'm also dropping some items on the shop today, some new items. So I'm gonna be like uploading pictures and just making sure all of that is good for launch. Here we have my breakfast for today. Just 1 egg with a slice of Swiss cheese and some sriracha and this low carb tortilla by Mission, the carb balance one. So let's go ahead and eat up now. So this here's a miracle noodles, 0 calories, 0 carbs. We're on day 5 now, Saturday, and having my coffee, the usual, while I pack some orders. So today we're having coffee at actual Starbucks, not at home. This is what I get. I'm just popping in really quick. For Saturday, I forgot to show you guys what I ate, and the same for Sunday. So sorry about that, but I think you guys get the point. So I made my coffee the same way I've been showing you guys I make it. But today we'll be adding this Keto collagen, and I've actually been drinking this for a while. I ran out and I didn't order for like 2 weeks. But here it is. I get the Keto collagen and vanilla. I add 1 scoop to my coffee and it tastes so good. It's like a dessert when I drink coffee when I add this. So they changed the packaging. It was a little larger, but the ounces are still the same, and it just comes in this like shorter tub now. But I definitely recommend vanilla flavor for the Keto collagen. I know they have more flavors and they're probably really good, but I don't know. I don't want to order a different flavor and not end up liking it, because this thing's pretty pricey. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of that.
No.
So this is what I'm having for dinner today. Some meatballs that I mixed with jalapeno and tomato just to make it spicy. As you all know, I love spicy. And then here we have romaine hearts with spring mix salad, and I added some ranch, of course. So I'll be eating this for dinner. My start weight was 133, and on the first week I went down to 129. And I am aware that's all most likely water weight, but less pounds are less pounds, guys, and I'm super proud of that. And I'm excited to just keep pushing towards this diet, because it's really not that difficult to do. I don't know, I just wasn't in the mindset to be dieting a couple months back with all this pandemic happening. But I'm glad I'm doing it now, because I'm seeing some great results.